Hello guys and welcome to class. Today on spellings we'll be learning about mnemonics. Can I hear you say mnemonics? Mnemonic is a system of using patterns or letters to memorize or to remember things. That is what mnemonics are. When we use a particular pattern or letters to memorize or to remember things, and what we are doing is called mnemonics. Mnemonics can help us to spell tricky words. It can make tricky words very easy for us to learn. And how do they make tricky words easy for us to learn? We'll split out the letters of a tricky word and try to make a sentence that you can easily remember. It could be a funny sentence or a silly sentence. Yes, that you can easily remember. Now let's see an example of using a sentence to remember the spelling of because. Let's see that together. When you want to spell the word because, all you need to do is split out the letters of because. And we are going to see this together. You can see letter B, letter E, C, A, U, S, and E. All the letters in blue are the spelling of because. But we need to split them out and then make a sentence that we can easily remember. For example, take a look. Big elephants can't always use small exits. Can you see that? Big elephants can't always use small exits. And this will help you to remember the spelling of because. The spelling of because. Do you understand? So when you split them out and you make a sentence and then you remember the sentence over and over again. When you need to spell your because, remember the sentence and pull out the first letters of each word. Now let's take a look. Trying to spell the word friend. We can spell the word friend by splitting out the letters in friend. F, R, I, E, N, D. And you can see all the letters of friend in blue. Now let's take a look. Fancy rabbits ignore every nosy duck. Fancy rabbit ignores every nosy duck. And when you pull out all the first letters of each word, all the letters in blue, then you have been able to spell the word friend. Friend. You can see it's super easy. It's super easy. And we can also spell friend by saying I to the end will be your friend. It's as simple as that. Now let's try spelling the word said. Said. The word said has letter S, letter A, letter I, and letter D. Now let's think of a sentence we can make with the word said, the S-A-I-D. Think of a word for each letter. Now let's try this together. Silly Alice is dancing. Silly Alice is dancing. For letter S, silly. For letter A, Alice. For letter I, is. And for letter D, dancing. You can see it's super easy. So when you remember silly is letter S, Alice is letter A, is letter I, and dancing is letter E. It becomes super easy for you to spell. Kiki is trying to spell the word the and is finding it difficult. I think Kiki is confused and we need someone's help. Maybe Kiki needs a mnemonic to spell the word the. Let's see if an helper will come around. What's that? It's an elephant. And not just an elephant, but a hairy elephant. And the hairy elephant wants to help Kiki to memorize the word the. Let's see what the hairy elephant will do. He splits out the letters of the word the, and I think he's trying to make a funny sentence with the letters. Here he goes. The hairy elephant. Can you see that? The hairy elephant. So which means it is super easy now for Kiki to spell the word the by using the T to make the word the H to make the word hairy, and the E to make the word elephant. So Kiki wants to spell the word here, where, and there. Let's see if she can try. She's on her way and she's trying to locate here, where, and there. She doesn't know how to spell those words. Let's see if we can help. Here. The words here, where, and there all have here in them. So let's see. What's that? And that's the hairy elephant again, helping Kiki to spell the word here. And the word here can be spelled splitting the letters and saying hairy elephants run everywhere. The letter H is for hairy. Letter E is for elephant. Letter R is for run. And letter E is for everywhere. So we can make the sentence hairy elephants run everywhere. Now let's check out where. The where has the W plus here. So it's simple. We go W. Hairy elephants run everywhere. Can you see? It's super easy. W. Hairy elephants run everywhere. W. Hairy elephants run everywhere. So it's super easy, and it's a question. Where? Where are we going to? Kiki is trying to check where they're going to. She's trying to check where. And it is there, 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 there. And there has the T and here. T and here. So we make it easy for Kiki to spell the word there. It goes t. Hairy elephants run everywhere. Can we do that together? T. Hairy elephants run everywhere. And that makes it super easy for Kiki to spell. So let's check out the words Kiki was able to spell. Here, where, and there. So spelling with mnemonics is super easy. All you need to do, split out the letters of the word. And when you split out the letters of the word, what do? Make a funny sentence with all the letters, and then you are good to go. When you say it over and over again, you memorize the word. Do you understand? Okay, I would like you to do what? Write out some tricky words that are difficult for you and make up sentences with them and show it to Mrs. Armstrong through WhatsApp. Do you understand?